Potato chips. They were created when a chef sliced potatoes too thin and fried them until crispy. Popsicles. A young boy left a glass of flavored water with a stirring stick outside in freezing temperatures. Chocolate chip cookies. Ruth Wakefield accidentally added chopped chocolate to cookie dough, expecting it to melt completely. Corn flakes. The Kellogg brothers left cooked wheat sitting out overnight, and it became stale. They rolled it out and toasted it, creating corn flakes. Worcestershire sauce. A chemist forgot about a barrel of sauce and rediscovered it months later, finding it had fermented into a flavorful condiment. Ice cream cones. At the 1904 World's Fair, a vendor ran out of bowls and started serving ice cream in rolled-up waffles. Champagne. It is believed that this sparkling wine was created when a winemaker accidentally trapped carbon dioxide in the bottle during the fermentation process. Nachos. Ignacio Nacho Anaya created this snack when he improvised with tortilla chips and melted cheese for hungry customers. Tofu. Legend has it that tofu was discovered when a Chinese cook accidentally curdled soy milk. Caesar salad. Chef Caesar Cardini created this salad when he had to come up with a dish using the ingredients he had left in his kitchen. S'mores. The combination of chocolate, marshmallows, and graham crackers came about when campers accidentally melted chocolate onto marshmallows during a camping trip. Sandwich. The sandwich is said to have been invented by John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich, who wanted a convenient meal he could eat with one hand while playing cards. Yogurt. It is believed that yogurt was accidentally discovered when milk was stored in warm containers and naturally fermented. Puffed rice cereal. A worker accidentally left a pot of rice on high heat, causing the rice to puff up and become crispy. Buffalo wings. They were created when a bar accidentally received a shipment of chicken wings instead of other chicken parts, and decided to make the most of it by serving them with spicy sauce. Cheese puffs. These cheesy snacks were invented when a machine malfunctioned and extruded cornmeal dough into puffy shapes. Rice Krispies treats. They were accidentally created when a Kellogg's employee spilled a mixture of melted marshmallows and Rice Krispies cereal. Caramel. Caramel was accidentally discovered when sugar was heated too long, resulting in a rich, sweet, and sticky substance. Coffee. According to legend, coffee was discovered when a shepherd noticed his goats becoming lively after eating berries from a certain tree. Pretzels. The shape of pretzels is said to have originated from a monk accidentally twisting dough into the shape of crossed arms. Cola. Coca-Cola, the famous soda, was created when a pharmacist accidentally mixed flavored syrup with carbonated water.